Welcome to channel American Speakeasy.
20 popular idioms with cut.
Like and subscribe to the channel.
Cut corners.
Meaning, to do something in the easiest, quickest, or cheapest way, often sacrificing quality, safety, or ethics. Examples: don't cut corners when preparing food. Use fresh ingredients and follow the recipe. The builder clearly cut corners. The walls are uneven and the paint is peeling.
Cut to the chase.
Meaning, to get directly to the point or to focus on the most important aspects of a topic, avoiding unnecessary details or distractions. Examples: after chatting about the weather, he finally cut to the chase and explained why he had called. We don't have much time, so let's cut to the chase and discuss the key issues.
Cut it out.
Meaning, stop doing something annoying, inappropriate, or disruptive. Examples: cut it out, you two, said by a teacher when students are whispering during a test. If you don't cut it out, I'm leaving. Someone fed up with teasing or bad behavior.
Cut class.
Meaning, to skip a scheduled class or lesson on purpose, usually without permission. It's often associated with rebellious or carefree behavior. Examples: if you keep cutting class, you'll fail the course. We used to cut class and hang out at the diner.
Cut a deal.
Meaning, to make an agreement or arrangement, often involving negotiation or compromise. Examples: the two companies cut a deal to share distribution rights. He cut a deal with the landlord to lower the rent.
Cut your losses.
Meaning, to stop investing time, money, or effort in something that's failing, so you don't lose even more. Examples: after months of poor sales, they cut their losses and shut down the store. I realized the relationship wasn't working, so I cut my losses and moved on.
Cut someone some slack.
Meaning, to be lenient, forgiving, or understanding toward someone, especially when they're struggling or not performing perfectly. Examples: I just started this job, so please cut me some slack. Cut him some slack, he didn't mean to mess up the report.
Cut out for something.
Meaning, to be naturally suited or well-equipped for a particular task, role, or lifestyle. Examples: I'm just not cut out for corporate life. I need more freedom. She's cut out for teaching. She's patient and loves helping others.
Have your work cut out for you.
Meaning, to face a difficult or demanding task, often one that requires a lot of effort, focus, or skill. Examples: with 3 deadlines this week, you've got your work cut out for you. She had her work cut out for her trying to fix the broken system.
Cut off.
Meaning, when used figuratively to describe emotional or social disconnection, or abrupt interruption, it takes on idiomatic meaning. Examples: he cut me off after the argument. Emotionally or socially. That car just cut me off. Interrupted dangerously.
Cut ties.
Meaning, to end a relationship or connection completely, whether personal, professional, or political. Examples: after the scandal, the company cut ties with the supplier. She decided to cut ties with toxic friends.
Cut out.
Meaning, figurative, idiomatic. To stop doing something, similar to cut it out. To be suited for something, as in cut out for. To eliminate something. Examples: you need to cut out junk food if you want to feel better. He cut out early from the meeting to catch his flight.
Cut no ice.
Meaning, to fail to persuade, fail to impress, or carry no weight with someone. It's often used with. Examples. His apology cut no ice with the manager, who still fired him. That excuse cuts no ice with me. I saw what happened.
Cut and dried.
Meaning, something is clear, settled, and straightforward, with no room for debate or surprise. Examples. The rules are cut and dried, no exceptions allowed. Her promotion was cut and dried. Everyone knew it was coming.
Cut the mustard.
Meaning, to meet expectations, perform well, or be good enough for a task, challenge, or standard. Examples. She really cuts the mustard as a team leader. I thought I could handle the pressure, but I didn't cut the mustard.
Cut loose.
Meaning, to let go of restrictions, responsibilities, or inhibitions and act freely, often with energy, fun, or rebellion. Examples. After finals, we all cut loose at the beach. He finally cut loose and told his boss what he really thought.
Cut off your nose to spite your face.
Meaning, to hurt yourself in the process of trying to hurt someone else. Examples. She refused the promotion just to annoy her boss. Classic case of cutting off her nose to spite her face. Don't delete your channel over one rude comment. That's cutting off your nose to spite your face.
Clear cut.
Meaning, something is obvious, straightforward, and easy to understand or decide. Examples. Her victory was clear-cut. No one came close. There's no clear-cut answer to that question.
Cutting edge.
Meaning, describe something that is highly advanced, innovative, or ahead of its time. Examples. They're working on cutting-edge cancer treatments. This is cutting-edge AI. It adapts in real time.
Not cut out for something.
Meaning, to not be naturally suited, equipped, or inclined for a particular activity, job, or situation. Examples. I'm not cut out for office work, I need to be outdoors. She realized she wasn't cut out for teaching after her first semester. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications.